Hello, and welcome to Knitting the Notes with Dr. B. In this episode, I'm going to respond to a request from a listener to help him learn how to practice the 16th note passages in measures 25 to about 30 in the Beethoven's Rondo Capriccio in G major, which is called The Rage Over the Lost Penny. So let's get started. So here we have the marked passage work that our listening friend would like to have help with knowing how to practice this. So I will set up the camera on a stand and get to work. Well, the first thing I would do, of course, is make sure that I was comfortable with my fingering. So I put a little bit of fingering in here. This, the right hand starts after a rest, so you can almost use any finger you want to. I'm going to start with finger 5. And then at this point I would cross over to 2 and do a 2, 3, 4, 2. And then a 1. Cross over to 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. And then I have to move my hand around the post of this stand. 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. And then from the C sharp I would do a D major scale fingering. And again, the post is in the way. I have to get a different type of stand. And then here, because of the chromatics, I go 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, and then you start another section. I think the first type of rhythmic practice that I would try would be a dotted rhythm, long, short, long. Woo! Sorry. And then I would do short, long. And then I think I picked this trick up at a Ruth Schlinzinska masterclass, and some people I think would say this is the Russian approach, but I would accent the first of each group of 4, then the second, then the third, like this. And so on and so on. And then I would accent the second one. Avoid this pole right here. And then the third one. And then the fourth one. And then I would do a group of 8. And then the second note of a group of 8. Third of a group of 8. And then the fourth of a group of 8. Fifth of a group of 8. Sixth. Seventh. Last one. And by that time you should be flying through it, and if not, just start all over again. And of course I would continue doing that over here, but I've got this stand for the camera that kind of gets in my way from doing that. And that's all we're going to have for you today. Thank you for being with us here at Knitting the Notes with Dr. B.